Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman, for allowing us to speak today. I come here today to voice opposition to HB1 in its current form, and I'd like to defer to Speaker Lewis's comments of the great concerns that he had concerning this legislation and the constitutional questions raised by it. I don't think that any law passed by the legislature could bring anyone back who has been senselessly cut down and cut short in life. But we do have laws that make it a crime to commit murder, all the way down to simple fourth-degree assault. As Senator Syme pointed out, his question concerning whether there were any ramifications for false swearings or false statements to be made in these cases, and it was found that there are none because of the civil process involved, and that even statements made could not be used against someone. But I came into contact with the family court in 2003 through a dissolution of marriage action after 15 years of marriage, and what I expected was to get through the process with my life and liberty and an equitable division of property and care of our children intact. What I experienced deserves to be brought before this committee and possibly even investigated. In my case, false allegations of domestic violence were used to subvert the amicable settlement process and used as a ruse to assist in knowingly and intentionally aiding in committing property fraud in the case, and was also unlawfully used to deprive me of my son without cause for 5 years. And I believe this has been in violation of my rights under Section 1 and 2 of the Kentucky Constitution. But the family courts and this domestic violence process, there's a lot of misuse and abuse of the process, and I would ask this body to carefully consider this bill along with the concerns that Speaker Lewis had and that he raised along the lines of the constitutional questions and concerns that he had. There is flaws in the process, and I would ask that the committee maybe down the road or at a future time maybe conduct some more studies and investigations into the process.
Thank you. Mr. Zellers, do you have any comments?